Turning now to COVID-19 as coronavirus cases continue to rise as the Omicron variant continues to spread throughout the nation and also right here in the tri-state. Local 12's James Pilcher joining us live tonight from the Breaking News Center with more on the latest numbers. James?
Yeah, thanks, Kyle. Actually, Ohio is now seeing near record numbers coming out as the Omicron variant continues to spread. There were nearly 21,000 new cases reported over the holiday weekend in Ohio, and just today, the state reported another 8,000 new cases plus alone. There were more than 700 new cases in Hamilton, Butler, Warren, and Claremont counties over the Christmas weekend, and the four-county Northern Kentucky region reported nearly 1,000 new cases at that same time. I asked Hamilton County Health Department Medical Director Dr. Stephen Fagans what the impact might be on hospitals like Mercy Health, where he also works. Other places in Ohio have stopped elective surgeries and other procedures because of the strain put on by COVID, but that hasn't happened here yet, but could happen if things get worse.
Every day we look at where we are, we look at the bed availability. We're continuing to evaluate that every day. We're the first week of January, I think all systems will be very critically looking at the surgery schedule.
Now, meanwhile, the lines for testing were so long at the Gravity Diagnostics site in Covington that local police warned motorists to avoid the area because all those people trying to get COVID tests. Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear says the state's positivity rate is approaching 12%. Now, that's a measure of how many COVID tests are positive. Beshear reported nearly 9,500 new cases statewide over the last 4 days, as well as 156 deaths. Two of those were Kenton County residents in their 40s. But when I asked him if the state is ready for another surge like what happened with the Delta variant, the governor said he is optimistic.
Do I believe that we are better prepared? Yes. But what we will see, depending on the level of transmissibility. We're also a little better prepared because a few more people are vaccinated. But the number one thing that people could help us do is get their booster if they're vaccinated or get vaccinated for the first time.
Now, I asked Dr. Fagans if he said the Omicron variant is actually overwhelming natural immunity that comes with having had COVID in the past, like those antibodies weren't even there. So he said, go ahead and get in the shot, even if you've had COVID in the past. Live in the Breaking News Center, James Pilcher, Local 12 News.
All right, James, thank you.